can do the pom-pom, you can do the twist, but I'm gonna show you how to do your twist like this. Hey, I said your twist like this. Hey. Hey everyone, so these are the things you'll need for your passion twist. You'll need your water wave hair, your crochet needle, your comb, your rubber bands, your magic fingers, your shears, clips, pink moisturizer, and vitamin E hair oil, and a mirror. So the first thing I did was I sectioned the back of my hair in square partings, and I used rubber bands to keep the hair in place. And I'm just showing you my partings. You can do them bigger or smaller. It's really up to you. Mine are like all over the place, but it is what it is. And these are the partings that I did in the front of my head. I didn't put the rubber bands on yet because I didn't know how big or small I wanted them, but I sectioned off, just by rows. And this is the hair I use. It's Lulutress water wave hair in 18 inches in the color 1B. So I like to separate the hair so doesn't have this like permanent curl in it. So I just put my thumb through the middle of this strand and run it down the middle and separate. And I do the same thing on both sides. And this hair is pretty good with separating. And I didn't get a lot of tangles working with this hair, so I like it for the most part. So for the back section, I used 1.5 pieces of hair. So this is me putting a half of the other strand of hair that I had together with the first half I used. And as you can see, it's like straggly ends, so I'm just going to cut it so I can work a little easier with this hair. So the first step is you take your crochet needle and you're going to put the crochet needle through the top part of your hair above the rubber band, and you're going to make sure that latch is down while you're doing this, and you're going to just put that strand of hair onto the hook and make sure all the pieces of hair are on the hook, and then you're going to close the latch up and pull all the way through. Now, after you do this, you can take some more product and put it on your real hair, plus the added hair, or not. I don't think I did for this. It's okay. But then you're just going to start twisting. And as you're twisting the hair in the 2-strand twist, you want to like actually twist the 2 pieces of hair, if that makes sense, so that it doesn't look like the twist is like all dopey. And then you're just going to twist all the way to the end. So for the top section of my hair, I kind of like did big and small twists. So for this, I did like every other row, I did small and big, small and big. So for this particular row, I'll be using only 1 piece of hair so I can have the smaller twist. And as I twist the hair, you'll be able to see the difference between the big twist and the small twist. The reason why I did this and I flip-flop between 1.5 pieces and 1 piece is because I didn't really want my twist to look super big and bulky, because the twist is already a lot of hair with like the size partings that I did. So I just wanted to keep it cute and keep it a little simpler. So I'm going to put some product on my hair, and for this row I'll be using 1.5 pieces of hair. See, blam blam. Put it together, and then you want to break it apart some more so you can get rid of that curl. I was tired, y'all. It was really late, so that's why I look stressed. But I'm going to take my crochet needle. I'm going to put my hair through the needle and pull it through all the way, and then I'll twist. Okay, so my twists are about like 4 days old right now. But for the people with shorter hair and thinner hair, like me in the back, I suggest that you braid your twist in and don't do the rubber band method because it will slip out. And I know this from experience. So I think for, thinner texture hair and shorter hair, or both, or one or the other, it's best that you just braid it in so you can avoid slippage and having to redo them over and over and over again. And the way you do this is almost similar to the way you'll do like a box braid. So you'll connect the hair and then you'll just braid it in like you're doing a normal braid. And then whenever you feel like stopping, you stop and then you split the hair apart and start twisting like a regular twist. So I braided it down about 9 to 10 times, almost to the end of where my hair stops. And I'm going to separate the hair and I'm going to add a little bit more product to give it a better grip. And then I'm just going to twist the hair as per usual. So now I'm done. I'm just going to take my mousse, put it throughout my whole head, root to ends. Get it good, get it good. Yeah. Get it, yeah. And for this style, I didn't dip my hair at the ends. So the mousse is pretty much going to do the job for me. And I'm going to get my ends. And now I'm just going to take my shears and cut off any loose ends or straggly ends that I don't like. And this style it's not meant to look perfect or polished, so I'm fine with, how some of them look. They look a little raggedy a little bit, but that's kind of like the look that I'm going for. And I'm just going to take my spritz it all over. And now I'm about to get these edges. I normally don't do my edges because, as you can see, I have none. So I'm just going to do the little bit of edges I got, I'm saying. And I really don't know how to do them, so I don't really waste my time. But I'm getting it. Got something going on there. Get that little thing right there. Get that little sideburn. Do a little swoop-de swoop. Swoop-de swoop. Okay. Swoop-de swoop. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Next side. I really don't have nothing on this side, but we gonna make it work. We gonna make it look like something. Yeah, and I got a peak, so we gotta swoop that thing and make it connect. Boop, bam, boom, bada boom, bop, bam. Oh, okay, I see it. I see it a little bit. There she go. Yeah, get that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Alright, now I'm gonna wrap this thing on up with my little scarf. Night night. And blam, there she is. You know, I had to put a little something on. Make it look like a something. And this is the final result. And shout out to Sade Crochet for giving me these earrings, period. And yes. Serving looks. Ooh. Okay. Period. Thanks, everybody. Mwah.